In this video, we're diving deep into the world of blockchain technology and travel and how it's revolutionizing the industry by enhancing security and transparency. From booking flights and accommodations to safeguarding your personal data, blockchain is changing the game in travel. Join us as we explore the fascinating ways this innovative technology is reshaping the travel landscape. So, stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights into the intersection of travel and technology. Let's unravel the potential of blockchain technology and travel together. Blockchain technology has been making waves in many industries, and the travel industry is no exception. With the increase in digital transactions, data hacks, and security breaches, there is a growing need for a secure and transparent system of exchanging information and payments. Blockchain technology provides just that. It offers a decentralized, secure, and tamper-proof system of recording data that is revolutionizing the way travel companies maintain their records, secure their transactions, and protect their customers. In this video, we will dive deep into the world of blockchain and travel and explore how it is transforming the industry. We will cover everything from the basics of blockchain technology to its specific applications in travel, including its use in loyalty programs, distribution, and payments. By the end of this video, you will have words of insight on blockchain and travel and its potential to revolutionize the way we travel. Introduction to blockchain technology in the travel industry. In recent years, blockchain technology has emerged as a transformative force across various industries. From finance to supply chain management, its potential to revolutionize traditional systems is undeniable. One sector that is now exploring the immense possibilities of blockchain is the travel industry. The travel industry is a complex ecosystem involving multiple stakeholders, including travelers, airlines, hotels, tour operators, and travel agencies. With so many different entities involved, ensuring security and transparency can be challenging. This is where blockchain technology comes into play. At its core, blockchain is a decentralized and immutable digital ledger that records transactions across multiple computers. This means that once a transaction is recorded on the blockchain, it cannot be altered or tampered with. This key feature provides a higher level of security and trust in the travel industry, where sensitive data such as personal information and payment details are exchanged regularly. The use of blockchain technology in the travel industry can bring numerous benefits. Firstly, it can enhance security by eliminating the risks associated with centralized databases that are vulnerable to cyber attacks. By storing data on a distributed ledger, it becomes extremely difficult for hackers to manipulate or steal information. Secondly, blockchain can improve transparency in the travel sector. With a decentralized system, all transactions are visible to all participants, ensuring transparency and accountability. This can help prevent fraudulent activities and create a more trustworthy environment for travelers and service providers alike. Moreover, blockchain can streamline processes and reduce costs by eliminating intermediaries. For instance, in the hotel booking process, blockchain can enable direct peer-to-peer transactions between travelers and accommodation providers, eliminating the need for online travel agencies as intermediaries. This not only saves costs but also reduces the chances of errors or miscommunications. Furthermore, blockchain can enhance loyalty programs in the travel industry. By utilizing smart contracts, loyalty rewards can be securely stored and automatically distributed to customers based on predefined conditions. This eliminates the hassle of managing multiple loyalty programs and allows travelers to easily redeem their rewards across different travel providers. In conclusion, the introduction of blockchain technology in the travel industry holds immense potential to revolutionize the way transactions are conducted, data is secured, and trust is established. The benefits of enhanced security, transparency, streamlined processes, and improved loyalty programs make blockchain a promising solution for the challenges faced by the travel industry. In the following sections of this comprehensive guide, we will delve deeper into the various applications of blockchain in travel and explore real-world examples of its implementation. Understanding the basics of blockchain and its potential benefits. Blockchain technology has been making waves across various industries, and the travel sector is no exception. But before we delve into the ways blockchain is revolutionizing security and transparency in travel, it's crucial to understand the basics of this groundbreaking technology and the potential benefits it brings. At its core, blockchain is a decentralized and immutable digital ledger where transactions and data are securely recorded and stored across a network of computers. Unlike traditional centralized systems, blockchain eliminates the need for intermediaries, such as banks or third-party service providers, by enabling peer-to-peer transactions. This decentralized nature enhances security, reduces costs, and increases efficiency in various processes. One of the key benefits of blockchain in the travel industry is enhanced security. With traditional systems, there is always a risk of data breaches, fraud, and tampering. However, blockchain's distributed ledger ensures that every transaction is recorded and verified by multiple participants in the network. This makes it extremely difficult for any malicious activity to go unnoticed, providing a higher level of security and trust. Transparency is another significant advantage offered by blockchain technology. In the travel industry, transparency plays a crucial role in building trust between travelers, service providers, and other stakeholders. With blockchain, every transaction and piece of information is recorded in a transparent and tamper-proof manner. This transparency allows travelers to verify the authenticity of travel documents, such as passports and visas, reducing the risk of identity theft and fraud. Moreover, blockchain enables streamlined processes and eliminates the need for multiple intermediaries. For instance, when booking flights or accommodation, travelers often have to go through various intermediaries, such as travel agencies, payment processors, and hotels. These intermediaries can add complexity, costs, and potential points of failure. However, with blockchain, travelers can directly interact with service providers, reducing costs and increasing efficiency. Additionally, blockchain technology can facilitate faster and more secure cross-border transactions. With traditional systems, international payments can be slow and expensive due to the involvement of multiple banks and currencies. Blockchain-based cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, enable instant and low-cost transactions, making it easier for travelers to pay for services and products globally. In conclusion, understanding the basics of blockchain is essential to grasp its potential benefits in revolutionizing security and transparency in the travel industry. From enhanced security and transparency to streamlined processes and faster cross-border transactions, blockchain technology holds immense promise for transforming the way we travel. In the following sections, we will explore specific use cases and examples of how blockchain is reshaping the travel industry, providing even more insight into this revolutionary technology's potential. So, stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights into the intersection of travel and technology.